Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So, again, the theme is this. Warby, WRBY, it's an earnings play, not a low float, 81 million, was winning race after race after race, got all the way up to 1840, whatever. Now, this may not work, but what I was explaining to people is that, okay, if you miss this move, okay, from the races, and it's very entirely possible you would, but there's that blue line. That's a 10 SMA. Now, Steve Gomez at Trade Ideas, he's a really proponent of this. So if this can hold the 10 SMA, this may bounce off it. Now, right now, it's a little bit underneath it. It looked like it was trying to hold it, but it's just another way to use the races, focus on a stock that was winning, maybe putting a price alert at, the 10 SMA, or maybe a moving average, another moving average, maybe the VWAP, but another way to use the races, guys. So anyway, want to get back into the room. So exciting today. Have a great weekend, everybody, and open the room at 8 o'clock Monday morning. Bye.